Japanese Kanji Radicals are often called building block of a kanji. Japanese kanji are grouped in dictionary by Kanji Radicals. Radicals often help to understand the general meaning of a kanji. For example, rain and rice field combined mean thunder. Radicals are categorized based on where they are located in the kanji. Top radicals are often referred as crown. In Japanese, they called Kanmuri, traditional man headwear of noble class or Shinto priests. Let's learn some kanji with the Kanmuri radicals. Rain. U. Ame. Radical rain. Snow. Setsu. Yuki. Electricity. Den. Thunder. Rai. Kaminari. Cloud. Un. Kumo. Bamboo. Chiku. Take. Radical bamboo. To answer. To. Kotaeru. Equal. To. Hitoshii. To calculate. San. Katakana U. Radical roof. House. Ka. Ke. Ear. Cheap. Calm. An. Yasui. Cheap. Treasure. Ho. Takara. Mountain. San. Yama. Radical mountain. Rock. Gun. Iwa. Bank. Shore. Gun. Kishi. Grass. Radical grass. Flower. Ka. Hana. Grass. So. Kusa. Arts. Skill. Gay. Tea. Cha. Sa. Hole. Ketsu. Ana. Radical hole. To study deeply. Q. Kiwameru. Sky. Ku. Sora. Window. So. Mado. Get old. Ro. Oiru. Radical old. Person. Xia. Mono. To think. To consider. Ko. Kangaeru. Thanks for watching.